How to take video screenshot in DaVinci Resolve. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here. Welcome to our channel, Create, Login and Delete. So let's start the video. Firstly, import your video file. In order to import, simply tap Ctrl+I and select the video and click on open, and the video will be imported. And after that, drag the video to the timeline and go to color tab. And here use the slider to the exact frame where you want your video screenshot. And after that, right click on the frame and select the option grab still, and your video screenshot has been taken. So this is your screenshot. In order to export your screenshot, right click on the photo and click on export and select the file destination and select the file type, whether you want JPG or PNG, and click on export, and the screenshot will be exported. And in this way you can take a video screenshot in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.